please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting latest updated video. Hello friends, my name is Bhavesh Parmar, and in today's session we are going to see one more important practical. From HSC board examination point of view, it is very crucial and very important, and the name of topic is image mapping. And for information technology students, you guys please watch this video very carefully, because at the end of this video I am going to show you how to perform image mapping through practically, and I will also provide you the steps. These steps you should follow, so that's why your practical will perfectly perform. So guys, we know how to insert an image in a web page. So for that purpose, HTML supports img tag, and those students, they don't know how to use img tag, so I request you please refer my previous videos, so that video will definitely helps you how to use of img tag, what are the various attributes, which extensions it allows us, it is helpful to perform image mapping practical. So guys, img tag is widely used to insert image in a web page, and there are various image extensions supported by img tag, and the most favorable extensions are jpg, jpeg, bmp, png, gif, tiff. These are the extensions mostly used by the programmer in the programs. So guys, our today's concept is image mapping. Now what do you mean by image mapping? So generally what happens guys, if I am using image tag, img tag in my web page, and if I am show one image in my web page, so if I am trying to click on that image which is display on my through my web browser, so nothing will happen. So guys, what I want to do, I want to map that image. Means whatever the image display on my screen, that image work like as a hyperlink. Means suppose this is my image display on my screen, and what I want to do, I want to use the various section of this image as a hyperlink. Means suppose, say for example, this particular region, suppose if I want to use as a hyperlink this particular region, so we can use any kind of region from that particular image and it will work as a hyperlink. So it is called what? Image mapping. Or if you say the technical definition of image mapping, means an image with multiple hyperlinks is called image mapping. I repeat again, an image with multiple hyperlink is called image mapping. And guys, there are two types of image mapping. In that, first one is client side image mapping, and the second one is server side image mapping. So from our practical point of view, we have to focus on client side image mapping. So what happens in that case guys, so we have to prepare one image. So that image we have to write down its coordinates. So how can we write? We are going to consider in the same video. So before that, image mapping practical performing point of view, we have to study some supporting tags. So we first of all we use this tag, img tag. Then the second tag that we are going to use called map tag. Then third tag that we need to use is area tag. So these are the three basic tags which we have to be used in image mapping practical. So guys, img tag is very clear to you. It is used to insert various types of image in a web page. But guys, when we study client side image mapping, so in that case we have to use one special attribute, and the name of attribute is use map. So when we use this use map attribute with the help of img tag, so it indicates that the given program is related with client side image mapping. So it is more clear to web browser, and it will run or execute the given program properly. So how can we use this use map attribute? I will show you. So for that purpose, I have to use first img tag, then I am using src attribute followed by image path, then I have to use this use map attribute, and I have to write down use map is equal to, in double inverted comma, we have to give some label, and but before that we used hash. Suppose here I am writing suppose hash abc. So this is the labeling for this particular image. So generally image tag consists of attributes like src, height, width, border, alt, so that represents alternating text. And even though we are using this special attribute called use map, and in case of use map we have to give the labeling with hash notification, hash and then abc. Don't pronounce hashtag. The hashtag is totally different concept, but in this case we use only hash followed by some label name. So this label is reflected by used by map tag. So what do you mean by map tag? So map tag is used to specify the region which is used as a hyperlink, and generally we are fixing the particular area, means whenever we move the cursor of our mouse pointer, then the clickable region appears. So that clickable region is called hotspot. So by using this map attribute we are going to create a clickable region. So and these regions are called hotspot. So generally map is a paired tag and its companion tag is /map, and between this map and /map tag we are going to use area tag. So guys, I hope so map tag is clear to you. Map tag is used to create a hotspot region which is called clickable region. So we can click and we can use that image to load or link with other program. So map tag has only one attribute, and the name of map tag attribute is called name. So this name attribute is very essential and very important, because this map name attribute linked this use map label. So name is equal to, we have to write down here abc. So means what happened guys, if I am using this map attribute followed by this name map tag followed by this name attribute, and in img I am using hash abc, so that particular image map with this our program. So for that purpose we have to write down map space name is equal to abc. And most of the guys, this is quite confusing, so it is more clear whenever I will show you practically. So guys, the next part is area tag. So what is the major role of area tag? So generally we are using some geometric shapes, so that shape is used as a hyperlink. So generally what happens guys, HTML allows 3 different types of geometric shape, that is circle, rectangle and polygon. So these 3 shapes images I can use in my program, and I can create a image mapping practical. So guys, for area there are some attributes are there, and we can use these attributes in a program to perform this practical successfully. So most of all, area has very important attribute. First attribute is called shape, and HTML supports 3 different type of shape. First one is rectangle, but in short we have to write down rect, then circle, and for polygon we used only the word poly. So these are the 3 different shapes that we are going to use in our program. Thereafter, next attribute is COORDS. So absolutely guys, COORDS represents coordinates. So means when we draw a particular geometric shape in a computer, then it definitely consists of some coordinates. So that coordinates is represented by this COORDS attribute. Thereafter, next attribute is HREF. So this HREF represents hypertext reference. So these are the three basic attributes which is widely used by this area tag. So generally guys, to perform image mapping practical, we must use IMG tag, then map tag and area tag. So generally area tag consists of these three attributes: shape attributes, coordinates attribute, HREF attribute. So shape attribute represents rectangle, circle and poly. These three images that we can use as a hyperlink, image mapping hyperlink in our program. COORDS attribute represents coordinates related with that geometric shape. And then the last one is hypertext reference, or you may also call hyperlink reference. So if we want to link a particular shape with particular program, so it is linked with HREF attribute. So IMG tag is used to load the image, then use map attribute followed by this label, and this label linked with map tag. So I can use that particular image. So that image creates various sections. That sections are called clickable region, and in technical word it is called hot spot. So generally when we see the information technology online examination questions, so there is always one question: clickable region in an image is called dash. So the answer is hot spot. Got it guys? So now let me switch on to the practical session. So guys, to perform image mapping practical, you need to perform, or you need to follow some steps. So what is that steps? So first step is what? You have to open paintbrush. You know that guys, you guys are used in LKG, UKG session or in school level also MS Paint, and it is very interesting app. So why we have to use this MS Paint? So what is my first step? Open MS Paint. So in MS Paint I have to draw three different shapes. So what is my second step? Draw geometric shapes, that is circle, then rectangle and polygon. So guys, we know that polygon means what? The image consists of multiple edges, and generally we say that multiple angles, or there are more than 3 angles or more than 4 angles, it represented polygon. So generally, so guys, if we consider the first geometric shape circle, so it is represented by 3 coordinates. Rectangle requires 4 coordinates. Polygon requires 4 coordinates. If we, and these coordinates are related with edges followed by xy pairing value. So it may be either 8-digit number, or it consists of 8 values. So that represents polygon. So what is our first step guys? First of all, we have to open the paintbrush. Then first we are going to draw the circle. So guys, what to do guys? When we draw the circle, after drawing that circle, we should write down the coordinates simultaneously, or you can also take the screenshot also, because these coordinates are very important. After, if we release the mouse button, the coordinates get disappear. So similarly, we have to draw the rectangle as well as polygon and write down the coordinates very carefully. Then after drawing these three different shapes, what is my next step? I have to save the image. Save the image by some name followed by .jpg extension. So what is my third step? After completing drawing these 3 shapes, we have to save that file and then what is my next step? I have to close MS Paint. I have to close the paintbrush application. Then thereafter our actual program starts. So what is my next step? So in step number 5, I have to open Notepad. In Notepad, after opening that Notepad, I have to write down the HTML code, HTML5 code, and then what is my next step? So I have to insert image by using img tag and write down the coordinates by using map tag and area tag within this HTML code. Thereafter, my next step is save the program with .html extension, and next one is execute the program with the help of browser. So these are the 3 basic 8 to 9 steps that you should have to be performed. So these things are more clear to you whenever I will show you it on computer practically. So guys, you will get more clear idea, and when you try to perform that practical, it is more easy and more convenient for you, and you won't forget this practical. But for that purpose, you have to remember these steps. So let's take the review of all these steps. So our first step is open paintbrush application. Then second one, draw all the geometric shape one by one. But you keep one thing in your mind, you should have to write down the coordinates. So which coordinates we are going to write, I will show you. Then after drawing all the 3 geometric shape, you have to save that image with some name followed by .jpg extension. Then my next step is what? I am going to close that paint application. Then from programming point of view, I am going to open Notepad, or you can use any text editor. Then next step is what? I am going to write down the complete HTML code, and the image that we are recently created, that image we are going to be insert in our program by using img src attribute, and using map tag and area tag I am going to write down all the coordinates just we are recently created by MS Paint through MS Paint application. Then save that program, and after saving that program, you have to execute the program by using any convenient web browser. Either you can use Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, or if you don't have any application, web browser application, then we can simply use Internet Explorer web browser. So guys, I will write down the simple program. So guys, this is the basic program, so that will helps you to how to create image mapping practical. So my first step is document type. So in that case, first step is our HTML. Then next, program start with tag HTML. Then if you want to give heading, then we use head tag. Then if we want to give the title, then title tag is used. Thereafter, this is closing of head tag. Then body tag is there, and if you want to use the attributes of body tag, we can use. These are optional. Now after creating image, we have coordinates. Now how to map or how to mix that image with our program? So by using img src is equal to, so suppose if I am going to store that image on C drive, and the name of image is suppose xyz, so here I am going to write c:/xyz.jpg. Note that guys, the name should be properly given, and whatever the name used to save that file, that name should be present over here, otherwise your image mapping practical doesn't work. So guys, be careful. Thereafter I am using use map attribute, So for that purpose I am using hash, and we can give any label. We can also use alternating tag also, alt attribute also, so that represents description about image if it is not properly loaded in a web page. Thereafter next tag is map, and we studied already, it has only one attribute, map name. So use map with label, so that label you have to give mention here. So map name is equal to ABC. Thereafter next tag is our area tag, area. Then I am using shape attribute, and in shape I am double inverted comma, I am going to write down circle. So we have drawn three different geometric shape: circle, rectangle and polygon. So first of all I am going to add the shape circle. Thereafter you have to write down COORDS. Note that guys, it is a single word, COORDS. So thereafter in double inverted comma we have written three different coordinates at the time of drawing that particular image. So that coordinate you have to write down and separated by comma. So suppose the value is 5, 7, 9. So it may be 2-digit or 3-digit also. So this is for only for example point of view. So these coordinates are separated by comma, and you should be enclosed in double inverted quotes. Thereafter you have to write down href is equal to, and suppose if you want to link that circle image, means whenever I am going to click on this circle, so I want to open a particular website. But note that guys, when you execute this program, internet connection must be there, otherwise your href tag doesn't work. But if you want to execute this program offline, so in that case href, when you give the href path, it should be other HTML program. So you can execute this program online also as well as offline also. But now guys, in this case we are using online. So for that purpose I am using http then :/ www. Suppose if I am writing here facebook.com, double quotes complete, tag complete. So what happened guys, means whenever I am executing this program and after loading that image, and whenever I am going to move the mouse cursor on circle image, so a hotspot clickable region appears, and whenever I am going to click on this circle button, then what happened guys, this facebook.com website opens. So it is called image mapping, means we are using image as a hyperlink. So same thing, same kind of view, we have to add rectangle and polygon by writing its coordinates properly. And after writing that code, you have to close /map, then /body, and finally /html. So after writing this code, you have to save this program and execute it on suitable browser, so it will more clear to you. So guys, how to perform this program practically, so I will show you. So I hope you guys, you are getting this practical very well. So try to perform by your own, and if you found any difficulty, please write me in comment section, so I will try to solve your queries. So guys, till then, take care. Goodbye guys.